Opposing Viewpoints is a library database that covers a wide variety of controversial issues and is a fantastic resource to help you find ideas for a topic. It includes viewpoints, journal articles, infographics, news, images, videos, and audio. To access this database, go to riosalado.edu/library. In the middle of the page, you'll see a box with blue buttons. Click on the database button, or you can click on the link in the box on the left-hand side. This page shows a list of the library databases sorted by subject. Scroll down until you find the subject, argument/debate, hot topics. From here, we can click on the database Opposing Viewpoints, Gale and Context. Since this is a library database, you might be asked to log in with your MEID and password. If you need any assistance with your login information, you can select the appropriate link under the Need Help Signing In. To find topic ideas, under the search bar on the right-hand side, you can click on the light bulb icon, Browse Issues. There are hundreds of topics to explore that could help you brainstorm potential ideas. Back on the Opposing Viewpoints homepage, let's search for a topic. I'm going to type in COVID and click on the recommended topic in bold. If the text shows up in bold letters, that means it is a topic they have covered extensively. Don't worry if your topic is not in bold, you can still find a lot of information. From here, we can read through the overview and browse through each section to find articles. Take a look at the On This Page box. It will show you the different types of information and articles you can find on this topic. I am going to click on Viewpoints to find opinionated articles. Read through the titles to find articles that look relevant to you. I'm going to click on the first article. In most of the Viewpoint articles, you'll see a blue box that gives an abstract or a summary of what they are going to cover in the article. They also list information about the author so you can decide if they are credible to write about this topic. After you sift through the article, make sure to save it before closing out of the page. There are two things you need to grab and save: the citation and the link. To save the citation, look for the quotes icon in the top right-hand corner called Cite. From here, you can copy and paste the APA or MLA citation into your references or works cited page. This tool will save you so much time. Next, if you want to save the link, make sure to grab it from the Get Link button on the top right corner. Please avoid the link at the top of the address bar. This changes and will not always bring you back to the article. If you need any help finding articles or need any assistance, you can contact a librarian through the 24/7 Ask a Librarian chat. Thank you.